This baby's still popular, but if you're familiar with me, then you know I don't fall for hype. Now, as I've already discussed how to open and close this bottle, I haven't yet taught y'all how to use this. What is this lotion, you ask? Does it look familiar? No? Okay. Today we shall discuss how to use EOS Shea Butter Vanilla Cashmere Body Lotion. Let's chat. While I already have videos on my channel that discuss how to apply thin and thick lotions, both of which I will pop on my community tab by the time this one goes up for your education. This one is specific to this. So let me introduce to you all EOS's Shea Butter line, Vanilla Cashmere. For some reason, this has become very much popular. The first thing to note here, after you have gone through and opened the pump, is the lotion. Now, this pumps out. We're gonna go ahead and get 2 guaps out. Reason being is that we're showing you all how to do this. Get your amount that you're going to use. For me, this is 2 guaps. What is a guap, you ask? Anything quarter-sized amount and large, it just looks like you just wasting it. Like you look like you just all the way, you want all the smoke wasting it, and you just, yeah, that part. And once you have your amount in your hand, this is normally what I do. If I'm in a rush or if I don't feel like it, I just leave it in my hand sitting like it did as when I pumped it out. Now, the important thing to remember with this lotion, as it is very oil-based, contains several types of oils here. It absorbs fast, it's lightweight, give you soft skin. It's not greasy unless you apply a what class? A guap. Okay, just rewind it back in case you didn't get that. It's okay. Choose the area that you first want to apply this to. Now, whether or not you have combined it all together in your pumps and squirts, or whether you are using it exactly in which you have pumped it straight out the bottle. Get the smallest amount you can get. Wherever you start to apply a thin layer. Now, I'm following the same principles as to my other 2 videos where I go over how to apply thin and thick lotions. But EOS is something that you still want to apply the same principle of applying in layers. Now, if you're not familiar with these terms, that means you got to go back and watch those 2 videos so you can find out exactly what I'm talking about. And you just keep applying in layers. Now, EOS is very moisturizing. It does absorb pretty fast, but because it is so oil-based and buttery feeling, creamy, soft, smooth, that oil is going to slow down a bit of that dry down and absorption production. What does that mean? I know you got questions. It simply means that the more you apply in a larger amount instead of applying in layers, you're going to find yourself having to do more handiwork to have this fully absorb into your skin to get the greatest potential and to get the fullest potential of it. Right now, we've gotten the look of applying a whole lot in layers, and guess what? I still have a whole bunch of them in my hand. The lotion don't look like a whole lot. But that is the power of this EOS Shea Butter body lotion. And what I suggest doing if you're going to try the layering method of applying lotion, I would suggest letting the draft of air or fresh out the shower, let the draft of the air dry that layer before you go in and, okay, apply another layer on. Now, if the lotion is scented, like this EOS, Vanilla Cashmere, it's going to allow the scent to also dry down into your skin, into the several layers of skin that we all have. Now, I want you to see what happens when you just go in and just rub your hands together and you don't do the layer method. Now, you're still going to get the same amount of moisture, but you're just going in all everywhere. You still get the same glow. It's just one step. But you see how I'm having to do more work to apply this on. You're still evenly distributing the scent, but you're having to do more work. And at first, within the first 30 minutes, the dry down and everything, it's going to be beautiful, but because you applied it all at once, it's going to absorb all at once. Versus the layer side, if you wait like a minute or so, for every minute that you allow it to absorb should extend the life of the dry down of what you apply. Which means you should have the scent for longer rather than going all in at once. If you would like to see more videos like this where I go over how to do the basics and even how to apply this baby here, EOS Vanilla Cashmere Lotion, then on either side, there should be a playlist for you all to enjoy. Until next time, love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient. It is kind. It does not envy or boast. And it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. And it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,